While I was about coming, they said, and I'm coming to Port Harcourt, and I heard that we have a lot of people here. Equequeno. It's a question. And I also heard that M.O.P invited some Benin people. Baba took by A lot have been going on. They are telling me, I will be the president, I will Emelokan. It is my turn. Even Buhari, who put Buhari in power? Me. I'm also a city boy in Lagos. That's my name.
Where is the engineer? Please put small volume. You know, this is campaign period. I don't want to shout too much. We have covered over 12 local governments. I don't expect me to be shouting. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Adia State. Your Excellency, the Honorable Speaker, members of the State Executive Council, members of the Assembly, our royal fathers, our mothers, our youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first and foremost advise that comedian who just finished performing. He said everything I said. I say, you must go. Be careful. Be very, very careful. I am dealing with politicians. They are crying. You. If I touch you, you will know that something touch you.
Then Atiku will come and be speaking Muslim. Wallahi, talai. He is trying to tell you people, na lie, I lie. So when you see Atiku say, wallahi, talai, tell him, na lie, you lie. People have been asking me, Mr. Excellency, what will he do to the youth of Nigerians? I have promised the youth already. Turn all the so-called Yahoo boys, turn them into experts in creating and manufacturing chips for that Dazan. He said there's no job in the country. Who said there's no job? Employ more than 50 million youth. Put them in the army. What to eat will not be the problem. Our farmers will make more money. Cassava, gari,
we will continue to win them. We will continue continue to. Because let me tell you, I don't have problem with anybody. Life is about you balance things. People will say, I don't balance things. No, listen. Life is I cannot be in water and soap before my eye. It's not done anywhere. It's not done any. Take one, give us one. Don't take all. That's being greedy. And you expect me to close my mouth? I cannot close my mouth.
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Make me do it till you talk. You come begin change the month. Agreement is agreement. The past government, they spent more than $60 billion. They forget that the transmission line is a super highway. They couldn't even make a down payment for a roasted corn. They are talking about electricity. We brought electricity to Nigeria. We are even yet to generate electricity to even roast barley. $60 billion they couldn't pay for a kilowatt energy to even make a popcorn. I belong to a party. Every day they're asking me, what's your party? What's your party? What's your party? Where's the DJ? DJ, play a song for me. I want to dance. Stop the song. Stop the song. The stage is shaking. It's shaking.
Come on down, woman, dolly wa.
Oh, I won't dolly.
Come on down, woman, dolly wa.
Oh, I won't dolly.
So don't fear. We will go out for this election and we will win. Not be so. Don't worry. Melembe. We know what we have. Even them, they know what we have. It's not this one they are running up and down. Fa.
Yes, so we get pepe demo. Some designers pepe demo.
If you didn't there,
subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.